Amazon sellers, here is some simple genius that every one of you should know that is working right now. What am I talking about? Copyright complaints and removing infringing content. So I want you to imagine that this picture is actually owned by somebody else and you use it in your listing and you received a copyright complaint. I want you to take that infringing content and remove it from the listing and replace it with something that you created or something that you own. Then seek a retraction, then plan on writing a plan of action, and these methods get your accounts back because you're no longer violating anybody's copyright. On top of that, you always have the power of filing a Digital Millennium Copyright Act counter notice. And if you want to learn more about using that weapon to help you, go to our website, AmazonSellersLawyer.com, put in counter notice, and you will learn an absolute boatload. You will have a whole school, a whole course on copyright issues on Amazon, counter notices, and you could also download our book, The Amazon Seller's Guide to Copyright Law.